Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Survivor EO plus plus game that allows you to get unlimited gems on Survivor EO. As you can see, I have 50 right there, but when I click that toggle switch right at the top, I'm going to click that. And there it is. You can see that everything is completely free, so I can get as much stuff on here as I want, as many gems as I want. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the app that I'm going to be showing you guys how to download today is called Survivor EO++, and this is how to hack Survivor EO and get unlimited gems. So this app basically lets you have a mod on it or something. As you can see in that top, there's that top toggle switch right over there. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And there you go, everything becomes completely free. So when you see that 14,000 gem option, you're going to click that. There you go, I have 14,000 gems. I'm going to go ahead and click it again. And then I have 2850 gems. So yeah. Super simple, super easy to download. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download that today. But before we do that, we're gonna have to make a few setting changes in our settings app just to make sure that your phone and the app are compatible and that it can download successfully. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the settings app and click that. Sorry, I was already downloading something before. But we're going to scroll down to the battery option down over here, and you're going to see that low power mode option. You're going to want to make sure that the low power mode is off, because when it's on, it doesn't use as much battery, because it's preserving your battery. So you're going to make sure that that's off. And when you're done with that, you're going to go to General right at the top over there, and then it's going to say About right at the top too. You're going to click that. It's going to say software version. You're going to want to make sure that your phone is updated to at least iOS 10. We are on iOS 15.4.1, so we are good to go. We're going to go back. And then we're going to scroll to background app refresh right at the bottom down there. It's going to say background app refresh. You're going to click that. Then it's going to come up with these options of off, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. You're going to want to make sure that you're on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option. It shouldn't be that hard, just because when I first downloaded this app, it was already on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option, so I didn't really have to worry, but just to be safe, go ahead and check that out. When you're done with that, you're good to go back into General, and you're going to stay in General because we're going to do something with it later. But we are going to go to our favorite web browser. You can use Safari. I personally like using Chrome. Oops, sorry. I was already downloading this. But you're going to go to this website called appbuild.vip, app.vip, or appbuild.vip, and it's going to take you to the super cool website that has a bunch of your favorite apps that are hacked, but we're going to type in that Survivor EO++ game right over here. Oh, hold on, let me refresh. Do that again. Survivor EO++. There we go, right over there. Click that blue install button. As you can see, there it is downloading. It should only take about 30 seconds, nothing too crazy, so we're going to wait for that to download. There you go, we're just about finishing up. There it is. It's going to say configuration profile available. You're going to click continue. And then it's going to come up with this other pop-up. You're just going to click allow. And then it's going to say the profile is downloaded. Basically, we just need to go into our settings app to further install the game. So we're going to go ahead and click close and go back into our settings app. And like I said, we were going to stay in general, but we are going to scroll down to VPN and device management down at the bottom. As you can see, there is that Survivor EO++ game. You're going to go ahead and click that install button in the top right corner. You're going to type in your passcode, and then it's going to say consent. You're going to click next. You're going to say warning, it's alright, just click install, nothing's going to happen. Then you're going to click install at the bottom right over there too. and then it's going to say the profile is downloaded, and you just need to click that done button in the top right corner. When you close out, there is the game. There is that Survivor.io ++ game, the app/hack that allows you to hack Survivor.io and get unlimited gems. So yeah, I really hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you later.